In this video, we'll show you how to load a drum instrument and how to create MIDI notes for it. In the first MIDI basics video, we showed you how to create a MIDI clip and how to draw MIDI. MIDI is often edited on a piano roll where you can see the note pitches. When programming MIDI for drums, you no longer use pitch. Instead of triggering notes with a different pitch, every key on the piano roll now triggers a drum sound. FL Studio uses a step sequencer to program drums. You can click to select steps and right-click to remove steps in the grid to trigger the individual drum sounds. To load drum samples to a track, create a new MIDI track and simply select a drum sample. Let's create a 4-to-the-floor drum pattern. Place a kick on every beat or quarter note. Place a snare on every other beat, so on the second and fourth quarter notes in the bar. Place a hi-hat on the upbeat or afterbeat, right in between the kick drums. Now you've learned how to load a drum kit and draw MIDI notes for it.